Hello guys and welcome on my code space. In today's video I'll teach you how to create bar charts using Python. One of the reasons why Python is very popular nowadays, it's because it's very easy to use in data analysis. So in today's video I'll teach you in a very basic and easy way how to use Python to generate some basic charts. Let's start with pie chart. So instead of installing Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook, I don't have time for that. I'll just go straight to the point and use Google Colab. So using Google Colab, I don't need to install anything. I don't need to install any tool. I'll just type Colab here. Okay. Yes, Google Colab is here. Okay, open Colab. It's very easy, you'll see. And yeah, so file, new notebook. Okay, here it's if I want to open an existing notebook, I'll go there and use new notebook in Drive, so it will be saved in my Google Drive. Okay, my notebook is being created, so I don't need to install anything here. I will just start coding and show you how to generate your wonderful charts using Python. I don't need this, I close. Okay, as you can see, I can start typing my code. So here, I'll import, okay, the libraries that I need. The first one is NumPy. So I just type import NumPy. I can even generate suggestions if I want. But here, just say I import NumPy as NP. Okay, so what will this line of code do? Okay, here I'm importing NumPy and I'll use NumPy to generate random values. Okay, as you will see, I'll need the dataset, and the dataset will have months and temperatures. So those temperatures, I won't tap them manually. I'll generate them using NumPy. Second line, I import pandas. Okay, and this will be to handle tabular data. The data sets that I will generate using NumPy, to handle it, to manage it, I will need Panda. So import pandas as PD, which is an object of Panda. And finally, to generate my charts, I'll import Matplotlib. Okay, Matplotlib, which is a library that we use in Python, one of the libraries that we use in Python to generate or to render charts. So it's very important to understand what we can do with all these libraries, because one of the use of Python is data analysis, and one of the tasks when we talk about data analysis is data visualization. You cannot do data visualization if you don't know how to use Matplotlib, Seaborns, and all those data visualization libraries. Okay, as BLT. Okay, so we use this to plot different charts. Okay, with this being done, we now start creating our dictionary. I'll write a comment line. Okay, create a dictionary. As you know, if you don't know what is a dictionary and all these things, don't worry, it's okay. We are preparing a massive course of Python for data analysis, which will come on this channel very soon. So if you don't know the basics of Python, it's okay, don't worry. I'll just teach you how to do all those things. So now we'll create our dictionary that I call data. Okay, so if you don't know the basics, it's okay. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel, to like, comment, so that we'll see that you are interested and will bring the course faster. So here in the dataset, the value, let's set the values first. The values will be the month of the year, the 12th month of the year. Okay, which are here we have a list. Okay, but of course this is the syntax. And here we have January. Let's say Jan, Feb, So I'm simply listing the math. Okay, September. But of course, we have October here. So once again, don't hesitate if you have not subscribed yet. You subscribe to the channel. You like and comment our content. It's encourage us to bring more and more content. Okay, and here we have values. Now here values will be temperatures. Okay, and here we'll use the NumPy. We use NP, which is an object of NumPy, dots random. Okay, and if you say rand int, it means that the values that will be generated will be of type integer. So let's say the temperatures, I want to generate temperatures from 5 to 40. Okay, then the size should be 12, which is the number of temperatures should be 12. Okay, here generate temperatures. If you want to get all this coding, you just want to get it in your mails, you just join the paid membership, and my team will send you an email with this file with the code. And now, as per now, this is just a dictionary. I want it to be converted into a Panda. Okay, I want it to be converted into a Panda so that it can be used in data visualization. Dictionary to pandas. Okay, and for that we just create, let's say, our panda is, I call it okay, anything, panda.data frame. So we convert our dictionary into a data frame. Okay, this is what we do. And now let's print it, show it. We say print what? Print df. Now let's check if everything is correct. I just come and click here. We'll see if we have not made any mistakes somewhere. It takes okay, it says there is something wrong somewhere. So where did you made a mistake? So here we have, okay, our values in the dictionary. So we made a small mistake. If you are following, you must have seen it. Here generate, we said we missed n here. So let's try again and see. Wonderful, it's okay. So we wrote, we missed one letter and it threw a mistake, an exception. So here I have my data frame, as you can see. So I just add a new code cell and continue my coding. I think it's clear up to now. So now our data set is ready. We'll plot the chart, okay, using built-in method of pandas. This is why we imported pandas, okay? So this says from the dataset df plot a bar chart. This is the meaning of this line. So the x axis will be month from this, okay? The y axis will be temperature, okay? And the color of the bars will be, let's say, gold. It can be anything, okay? and I disable the legends for a clear look. Okay, wonderful. So these 3 lines will plot my chart. Okay. Now we need to add a title. Okay. Let's call it temperature chart demo. Okay. And X label, we say PLT X label, which is month. This is for the display actually. And so that's our chart will be readable and understandable. Okay, now my chart is ready. Let's say I don't like this same color. I want to use different colors. I can add the colors here. As you can see, I said gold. Okay, so I'll just change something in the code here. I'll just say color and set a list. Okay, I say color equal to a list, and I put gold inside. Then I can say crimson. I can say green. I can say blue. And I go on runtime and run all. Okay, it says I got something wrong. I'll check what I got wrong. I say color equal to, I start setting different colors. Say invalids syntax. This means I got something wrong. Let's check. So we need to put this in the syntax. It's important. And again, go and run down and run all. Wonderful. I have different colors. Okay. So I've said how many colors? I've said 4 colors. So it repeats 4, and again we start from the beginning. Okay. So from here, from now you know how to design a bar chart using Python. In the next video, I'll teach you how to do a pie chart. So if you like these contents, subscribe, like, share, so that many people will come and watch our content. If you have any question, come in the comment section and leave your question. We'll answer to your question and clarify your doubt. Thank you, and yeah, see you in the next video.